Stop everything. Seriously, stop what you're doing. Google just broke the internet, and somehow most people have absolutely no idea. Welcome to this explainer, because guys, we are officially entering the agentic era, okay? This is not just a little chatbot anymore, it is a full-blown AI army running your entire life and business in the background. Let's go.
So look, let's break this down. The old way of using AI, it was basically just a fancy Google search, right? You type a question, it spits back a text answer. Well, scratch that, because that is old news. We are shifting to the agentic era. And what does that actually mean for you? It means AI now acts like an actual human employee. It plans, it researches, and it completes complex tasks entirely on its own, while you literally step away and go do something else. You give it a mission, you walk away, and you come back when the job is done. It is an absolute game changer.
All right, let's get right into Power Player number 1, Enterprise Agents and Automations. Imagine having a dedicated, hyper-smart employee working for you for absolutely free, 24 hours a day. That is 24/7 your new AI employees are running in the background. They're handling your emails, they're managing your calendar, they're updating those massive spreadsheets, literally while you are sleeping. So, like, if someone joins your program, kind of like the AI Profit Boardroom mentioned in our sources, instead of you manually sending that welcome email, tagging them, and figuring out where they go, these AI agents do all of it instantly. Zero human intervention. They pull the info, send personalized messages, and execute the entire workflow flawlessly. It is just insane. Moving super fast, here is Power Player number 2, free AI video creation. Don't have a nice camera? Literally no problem. The barrier to entry for content creators is officially completely gone. Listen to this exact prompt from the source. Create a 30-second video showing how AI automation helps online business owners save time, grow their communities, and work less. Boom, that is it. You type that into Gemini and instantly you have pro-level video content ready for YouTube, TikTok, whatever you want. No expensive software, no production team, zero editing skills required. You just tell it your vision and the AI builds the whole thing. You could literally produce more high-quality videos in one single afternoon than most people make in an entire month. Next up, Power Player number 3, deep research. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. This is my absolute favorite feature. It doesn't just drop a bunch of random links at you and tell you to go read them. No, it acts like a highly trained professional research team operating at lightning speed. First, it builds a proper research plan. Then, it actively searches across a ton of multiple sources. Next, it logically synthesizes all of that information. And finally, it writes you a clean, beautifully structured report in minutes. What used to take a whole team of people all day just staring at 100 confusing browser tabs now takes seconds. Whether you need new video topics, competitor research, or you're writing sales copy, the AI thinks through the whole thing and hands you the final product. Okay, Power Player number 4. Gemma 4 and open source AI. This right here is the open source rocket fuel that is speeding up global AI innovation right under our noses. Because Google released Gemma 4 as an open source model, developers all over the entire planet can freely build, customize, and power their own AI applications on top of it. What does that actually mean? It means smaller startups and solo creators finally get access to this massive, powerful AI infrastructure that they simply couldn't afford before. It's bringing way more competition, crazy fast development, and ultimately, way better and cheaper tools for everyone who is trying to scale an idea. And rounding it out, Power Player number 5, the AI Coding Tutor. Okay, if you are non-technical, you need to listen very closely to this. The fear of coding is officially over. Scared of writing code? Not anymore. Look, the old way meant you'd try to write a Python script, make one tiny mistake, and then grind for hours on Stack Overflow trying to decipher some confusing answer. But the new way? You have a real-time AI tutor sitting right inside your editor, fixing your mistakes as you make them. Say you're building a simple automation script to pull new member data into a spreadsheet and you hit an error. The AI tutor literally jumps in, explains what went wrong, tells you exactly why it happened, and shows you exactly how to fix it right next to your code. It makes learning so interactive and just massively lowers the barrier to entry for everyone. All right, so how do you actually start? Here is how to use it now, the 3-step playbook. I need you to stop passively watching and start experimenting today. Lock in these 3 incredibly simple steps. Step 1, open Gemini. Head straight to the Deep Research tab, type in whatever your topic is, and just watch it do the work. It's magic. Step 2, for free video creation, jump into that prompt box, describe your exact vision, and hit generate. Step 3, to truly automate your business, start connecting these agents to your real workflows, exactly like the pros are doing inside the AI Profit Boardroom right now. The absolute fastest way to understand where AI is heading is to get your hands dirty, so don't just watch me, start experimenting today. Which brings us to the ultimate advantage: one person versus an empire. Look, Google isn't just releasing a bunch of isolated tools here. They are building a massive ecosystem where absolutely everything connects. Think about it. The old way of working required an entire corporation or a huge team of people to handle business operations, video editing, deep research, and coding. But in this new agentic era, one single person with the right knowledge can now do the work of an entire corporation. If you learn how to direct these systems and combine them, you are getting the absolute biggest advantage of our lifetime. The early movers who actually build real workflows with this, they are going to completely dominate. 67,000. That is how many members are currently inside the free AI Success Lab, actively building and growing their businesses right now. The source material highlights that you can get the full standard operating procedures and over 100 real AI use cases just by plugging into these communities. You absolutely do not have to figure this out alone, guys. The resources are literally already there waiting for you. Which brings us to the million-dollar question. Are you getting left behind in the old way of working? Seriously, if you're not using this yet, you are falling behind. I am telling you, the future is not coming next year. The future is rolling out right now. This is the biggest advantage you will ever have, and the window of opportunity is wide open. So, if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve and not get left in the dust, smash that like button, drop a comment telling me exactly which of these tools you are going to try first, and follow for more mind-blowing AI updates. Let's win the agentic era together. Go, go, go!